What's up, YouTube? How y'all doing today? I got this 2010 Honda Insight, and I'm going to be showing you how to replace the front pads and rotors. Anyways, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please subscribe. So I'll continue to make videos like this to make your life easier. Got the parts. Let's get started. First thing we're going to do is turn the wheel out. That'll be a little 12mm action. Take that bottom caliper bolt off. Go ahead and reverse that. Swing your caliper up, pull out on it, and lean it out of the way. We're replacing the pads and the rotors. Rotors are pulsating real bad, and they got a lot of deep grooves in them. Take you a 17mm. Take your bracket off. Reverse it. Run out of room here. And discard these old pads. Jordan. Pull your rotor off. And we'll clean all the cosmoline off the rotor. Little brake parts cleaner action. Now normally these Hondas would have two Phillips head hold down screws, but someone didn't put them back, which is okay. It's not that big of a deal. Just holds the rotor flush. I'm sorry about the mess. It's been a busy day. Now they didn't give me new hardware with the brake pads, so I'm just going to reuse the old hardware. Alright. Snug those down real good. If you're torquing them, I'd say about 100 foot-pounds would be sufficient. Inner pad, the warning indicator, goes on the inside. Outer pad, no warning indicator. Alright, now we got to reset our piston. Now you can reset this too with like a C-clamp or a big pair of channel locks on the back side of here. You don't have to have this fancy tool that I got. Put your slide back in, making sure the dust sweep goes all the way over. Start that bolt. Alright. Bring the wheel back out. Hang our wheel. Normally I don't put wheels back on my videos, but why not? Just lightly tighten them down. And then torque them down 90 foot-pounds. Anyways, hope y'all like this video. Let me get my torque wrench. Wherever it might be. Anyways, like I said, I hope y'all like this video. Y'all please check like, please subscribe. Y'all have a good day. Peace out, YouTube.